Welcome back, friends. You're listening to AI with Shaily, where we dive deep into the ever evolving world of artificial intelligence. I'm your host, Shailendra Kumar, bringing you the latest from the front lines of AI innovation. Today, we're unpacking a fascinating trend rocking social media and research circles alike. The idea that the leap to super AI might not be a slow and steady climb, but a sudden, non linear explosion of capability. Intrigued? So am I. Picture this. I remember back in my early AI days, we always expected progress to be like climbing a hill, one slow step after another. But now, it feels more like a rocket countdown ready to blast off at any moment. What's fueling this sudden surge? Let's break it down. First up, the rise of agentic AI systems. These are not your typical chatbots or pattern recognizers. Instead, think of intelligent digital coworkers who don't just respond but plan and execute complex tasks all on their own. This kind of autonomy is a game changer, giving AI initiative and turning it into real collaborators, not just tools. Imagine an AI assistant that decides what needs doing next without waiting for a command. That's a non-linear leap in thinking machines. Then there's the hardware meets software magic. Microsoft's latest MAI models combine clever new architectures called Mixture of Experts with cutting edge chips that squeeze 10 times faster inference and slash training costs by tenfold. It's like going from a bicycle to a jet engine. When you pack that kind of power under AI's hood, sudden, massive jumps in performance become possible rather than incremental improvements. And talk about diversity. The open source world just witnessed Switzerland's Apertus LLM, a monster multilingual model trained on 15 trillion tokens, covering over 1,000 languages. This breadth allows AI to cross knowledge boundaries like never before, helping systems generalize and understand context in ways similar to human reasoning. It's a key stepping stone toward generalized intelligence. Don't forget the robots. The tactile Aloha robot blends vision and touch, combining multiple senses so AI can interact with the world much more like we do. This multimodal integration means embodied AI might soon emerge with agency and adaptability, hitting new frontiers in physical intelligence. Last, but definitely not least, the sheer scale of investment is staggering. Over $100 billion poured into AI startups and research globally. That's a feedback loop turbocharging innovation. When billions flow in, breakthroughs come faster and sometimes out of left field. So, what does all this mean? The once steady, predictable climb towards super AI is looking more like a surge, a tsunami of progress where new capabilities appear almost overnight. It's a thrilling, if somewhat daunting, horizon. What if these leaps happen sooner than anyone expected, forever changing how we work, create, and even live? Bonus tip: if you're curious about spotting nonlinear AI leaps yourself, keep an eye on where hardware innovations meet new algorithms and real world embodied systems. That's where the magic really happens. Also, follow open source trends. They often herald the next wave of radical advancement. To wrap up, I want to leave you with a thought from Alan Turing, who once said, "We can only see a short distance ahead, but we can see plenty there that needs to be done." Indeed, the path to super AI is opening wide, and we're all on this thrilling journey together. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe on YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Medium for your weekly dose of AI insights. And don't be shy. Drop your thoughts in the comments. How do you imagine this nonlinear AI future unfolding? I'm Shailendra Kumar, and this has been AI with Shaily. Until next time, keep dreaming big and thinking sharp.